Hello, my name is Andrew Dunn. I am doing the video reflection on the iTech 7500 Capstone Experience and Portfolio. I'm going to be just touching on some of the key points that in this video reflection. The first thing I'll be talking about is the learning and professional growth that I've experienced. Currently, I teach at Crim Open Campus High School in Atlanta. It is an Atlanta public school. I predominantly teach 12th graders, and it's easy to speak to them, but I think this program has given me the opportunity to be able to speak to faculty regarding technology-based programs, and I felt very strong in doing that and giving them the opportunity to explore these different programs, much like how I would do with my students for such as like a WebQuest assignment. I think that has been a great stepping stone for me, being able to take academic risks in class and being able to try different things, not being intimidated by the technology. Those are other things that have definitely grown past, and being able to speak to different stakeholders. And not all stakeholders are the same, and it's important to be able to approach different stakeholders for different reasons and in different ways. You have to be very tactful because each stakeholder has their own perception of how the school should be ran. The next point I want to talk about are some of the major accomplishments. I think just finishing the iTech program itself was just a major accomplishment. There are a lot of challenging classes, a lot of challenging assignments, and just being able to endure through those is basically a very commendable feat. The capstone experience, being able to complete that, showed a lot of resilience, and the instructional workshop that I conducted at the school in front of faculty and staff that introduced a technology-based program. All of these are accomplishments, and I only look to improve upon these accomplishments as I reflect on what I could have done better and some of the things that I done real well in. So those are the major accomplishments, and just being able to work with teachers of different personalities and perspectives on a daily basis. I think a school should consider me as a technology coach because, again, I've developed just a realistic view of technology coaches' responsibilities, their roles, knowing that not everyone's going to be on board. There are some teachers that are not going to want that assistance, not going to want that collaboration piece. So, and that's fine. And that's perfectly understandable. Some teachers will embrace the change. Some teachers will embrace the role that I'm looking to play at the school, and just being flexible to teach in small and large groups. One thing I would like to do is to be as much of a hands-on figure as I possibly can for teachers, so that way they can see how a true model would look like, and being able to understand best practices and the strategies involved. So that way, when they see a good program or a good resource, they're just not left trying to figure out how to implement it. The model will be there by me visiting and working with teachers both independently and collaboratively. And finally, my short-term goals are I'm going to begin revamping my resume and making sure that my credentials are in line. Going to also work a little closer with the media specialist, who kind of plays the role of a technology coach at my school. So I will be working closely with him. And then my long-term goal will be to apply for coaching positions both in and out of the district. And in the interim, I'll continue to attend workshops and conferences that offer technology training. I think that's it, and bye for now.